be scared, it's just shark.
Hello, and welcome to our podcast on the history of new media art. Today, we'll be exploring the origins and evolution of this fascinating art form. So, let's dive in. New media art has its roots in the 1960s, when artists began to experiment with emerging technologies such as video and computer graphics. One of the pioneers of video art was Nam June Paik, who created works that used video as a medium for artistic expression. Paik's work challenged traditional art forms and paved the way for future generations of new media artists. In the 1970s, video art gained popularity, and artists began to use it as a medium for creating and sharing their work. This led to the development of a new genre of art that was focused on the exploration of time-based media. One of the most well-known examples of this type of art is Bill Viola's The Crossing, a video installation that explores the theme of life and death. With the advent of personal computers in the 1980s, artists gained access to new tools for creating and manipulating digital images. This led to the development of computer graphics, a new form of art that used computers to generate images and animations. One of the most famous computer graphics artists is John Whitney, who created works that explored the relationship between music and abstract visual forms. In the 1990s, the internet became more widely available, and artists began to explore new ways to use it for artistic expression. This led to the emergence of net art, a new form of art that was distributed over the internet. One of the most well-known examples of net art is Olia Lealina's My Boyfriend Came Back from the War, an interactive narrative that explores the themes of war, love, and memory. Today, new media art continues to evolve and push the boundaries of what we think of as art. With the rise of virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and other emerging technologies, artists are using these tools to create new forms of art that challenge our perceptions of what art is and what it can be. In conclusion, the history of new media art is a story of innovation, experimentation, and exploration. From the early days of video art to the emergence of net art and the development of new technologies, new media art has been at the forefront of artistic innovation. We can't wait to see where this exciting art form will take us in the future.
Don't be scared,